Very good morning, children. L.K. Tripathi is here. Dear students, we shall discuss about civics. That is chapter 6, Rural Administration. This chapter will enable us to know much more about the rural administration, what types of administration are there in rural area. So let us see imaginary story type of things here. Mansi's discussion, Mansi's question. Mansi is a girl. She is desirous to know much more about all such types of things to her guardians, parents and companions. So Mansi saw herself, Meena auntie looked very sad that day. Mansi's mother, Mrs. Mathur, asked, "What is the matter, Meena?" Meena was almost in tears. 3 years back, my husband had loaned from the money lender in our village as we needed money for our daughter's wedding. Last year, we returned the loan with all the interest. So, this is a story of the village. There is her auntie, Mansi's mother, Mrs. Mathur, पूछती हैं मानसी की माँ कि क्या मैटर है मीना. मीना उत्तर देती है, उसके आँख में आंसू भर जाते हैं. वो कहती है कि 3 years back my husband had taken loan, borrowed money from the money lender of the village as her daughter was needed to be married. Last year we returned the loan. Last year उसने लोन रिटर्न कर दिया with all the interest, सारे इंटरेस्ट के साथ. But the money lender told my husband last month that he needed to pay 30,000 more. लेकिन जो है मनी लेंडर ने मेरे हस्बैंड से पिछले महीने कहा कि 30,000 और भी आपको पे करने हैं. When he refused, the sued money lender lodged a complaint against him. When he denied or refused to pay this extra money, 30,000, to the money lender, he went to the police station and registered an FIR there against cheating. ये मतलब हमारा पैसा इन्होंने चीट कर लिया, उसके अगेंस्ट में उन्होंने इसने जो है FIR कर दिया. To solve the dispute, my husband went to the village panchayat and the police, but nothing. Nothing happened. Against that, my husband went to the police station to solve the matter, also went to the panchayat, but there was no result. The money lender is a rich man. Money lender क्या है? एक rich person है. What will happen to us now? अब हमारे साथ क्या होगा? How will we arrange? The money lender is a rich man. What will happen to us now? How will we arrange for the money? She began sobbing. She was in worry that how can the money be returned, money we pay to the money lender. This is very difficult for us. Mansi was sad to hear this. Later she asked her mother how they could help Meena auntie to solve the problem. She was thinking to solve the problem of her auntie. She was really very sad. She consulted her mother. However, Mrs. Mathur replied helplessly. Mrs. Mathur ने जो है असहाय होकर के उत्तर दिया, What can we do, Mansi? The dispute is at the village, only the village police officer can take action and find out the truth. हम इस बारे में क्या कर सकते हैं मानसी? डिस्प्यूट है जो है गांव का है और केवल गांव का जो पुलिस ऑफिसर है वही इसको सॉल्व कर सकता है. He can take action and find out the truth. Don't worry, if Mina's husband is innocent, he will get justice. चिंता नहीं करिए, अगर मीना के हस्बैंड अगर सही हैं तो उनको न्याय मिलेगा. कैन पुलिस बी ऑनेस्ट एंड जेनरस? क्या पुलिस और ऑनेस्ट और जेनरस हो सकती है? ऑन टेलीविज़न एंड इन मूवीज़ Mansi had seen police to be cruel and dishonest most of the time. She had seen all the facts of police, how much dishonest and cruel they are. What will happen to Mina's auntie now? Mansi was really worried. A few days later, Meena auntie was all smiles. कुछ दिनों बाद मीना आंटी के चेहरे पर मुस्कान देखी गई. द एसएचओ इन द विलेज पुलिस स्टेशन इज द काइंड एंड ऑनेस्ट मैन. जो एसएचओ है, पुलिस ऑफिसर है, वो ऑनेस्ट है और बहुत ही काइंड है. ही हैज़ इन्वेस्टिगेटेड द मैटर एंड फाउंड आउट द ट्रूथ. नाउ हर हस्बैंड नीड नॉट वरी एंड मोर एनी मोर. Mansi was relieved as well. Not all police officers are bad, she said. There is no police officers in the department, they are bad or dishonest. Many honest officers also there. Along with the Gram Panchayat, the police as well as other officers appointed by the government play an important role in maintaining law and order and looking after the administration in the rural areas. All the villages and Gram Panchayats are there in rural areas, which is looked after by the police officers as the government appoint them to maintain law and order in the areas. Let us learn more about the features of rural administration in our country. अब हम देखते हैं रूरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हमारे देश में कैसा है. द पुलिस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. पुलिस का काम क्या है? लॉ और ऑर्डर मेंटेन करना. इन ईच डिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर इज़ वन सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस. हर ज़िले में एक सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस होता है. That is known SP, heading the police administration. He belongs to the Indian Police Service. Each district is divided into 5 to 6 subdivisions, each headed by a deputy superintendent of police, that is DSP. Subdivisions are further divided into police circles. An inspector is in charge of each circle. Each circle has about 10 police stations called thanas. A thana is under the charge of a station house officer, that is known SHO. SHO is the head of the thana. So in this way we have some what is the role of police, how they are categorized in the areas. Next, that is there are sub-inspectors also, assistant sub-inspectors, constables and head constables work in a police station. For each village, the police also appoints chowkidars to look after law and order. Each police station is responsible for maintaining law and order in a particular village or 2-3 villages. Unlawful acts such as theft, robbery, and violent conflicts have to be reported to the police station. There is a jail in each district. A jailer and a deputy jailer are in charge of the jail. There are separate jails for male and female criminals. In the jails, the convicts are allowed to take lessons in skills such as shaving, carpentry, etc., so that they can earn their living in a respectful manner once they come out of the jail. The village patwari. In most of the villages, agriculture is the main occupation of the people, so land is a very important property. The patwari maintains land records in a village. Each patwari maintains records for a group of villages. The patwari has different names. He is also known as Lekpal, Kanungo, or Karmachari. The main duties of a patwari are summed up below. पटवारी की मेन ड्यूटी क्या है? Measuring the land and maintaining records of the size of the land. Maintaining records of the crops grown at every harvest season. Maintaining records of ownership and inheritance of land. Providing information to the government about the crops grown based on harvest inspection. Reporting all serious calamities affecting the land or the crops and outbreak of diseases among people as well as animals to the authorities. Organizing the collection of land revenue from the village. The patwari maintains a detailed report of each plot of land in a village, its area, owners, details of crops grown, etc. After the harvest season in April, October and February, he conducts inspections to find out the yield of crops from his plot. All his records are written down in a report called the khasra. A farmer has the right to ask for the khasra of his land if there is any dispute. This is very important document of the farmers. Anytime if they want to check their land records, they can ask for khasra to patwari, and patwari has to provide the proper record to the farmer. In recent years, in many villages, patwaris have been using computers to maintain records. Now the technique has become advanced. Patwari uses computers and other type of IT equipments to measure and to maintain our such types of records. Next we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, goodbye.